Have you ever wondered why some people keep getting richer while others stay stuck financially? The truth is, it's often not about income. It's about habits. Here are 7 habits that may be keeping you poor and how to break them. Habit number 7. Spending before saving. Many people spend first and save whatever is left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then spend what's left. Habit number 6. Living beyond your means. Buying expensive things to impress others can keep you trapped in a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Looking rich is not the same as becoming rich. Habit number 5. Avoiding financial education. If you never learn about budgeting, investing, or money management, your finances are unlikely to improve. Knowledge is one of the best investments. Habit number 4. Depending on only one income. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky. Many financially successful people build additional income through investments, side businesses, or other legitimate sources. Habit number 3. Using credit cards. Carelessly, high-interest debt can quietly consume your income. Paying only the minimum balance can make it much harder to build wealth. Habit number 2. Waiting for the perfect time. Many people say, "I'll start investing when I earn more." But waiting often means missing years of potential growth. Starting small is usually better than not starting at all. Habit number 1. Thinking short-term. This is the biggest mistake. Chasing quick money, instead of focusing on long-term financial growth, often leads to poor decisions. Wealth is usually built through patience, consistency, and smart planning. The good news is that habits can change. You don't need to be born rich. You need to build better financial habits over time. Which of these habits do you think is the most common? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more simple finance and investing tips.